Move on to the weather now. And Sara, there was quite a lot of rain today. It was wet in Crawley, I noticed earlier, but dry down in Hove.
Yeah, I mean, you know, showers this afternoon, so they're really hit and miss. Here's a great picture, actually, of one, of a thundercloud. Now, there was a bit of lightning in one or two places, not loads for us, actually. And actually, there were some funnel clouds in parts of the Midlands, so that's really what's been going on. Very turbulent atmosphere. And here are the showers that came across us. But let me show you how hit and miss they were. At first, it was a little weak frontal band that kind of moved through quite quickly, and then in the last little while this clump of showers. So as Natalie says, somewhere like Crawley, of course, they've had some really heavy rain. They needed it as well. We all needed it. We didn't all get it, and I have to say there isn't a lot in the forecast for the next few days, save for Friday night into Saturday, which we'll come to in just a minute. Of course, the big story is, and if you've seen any headlines today, you know there's talk of a heat wave. There's no heat wave in prospect, but it is going to be a little bit warmer because we're bringing up our air from the southwest in the wake of today's rain that pulls away. High pressure and Azores high, that's bringing our air up from a really, really long way away, and that means it's going to be quite warm. Now we start tomorrow morning with some fairly warm air, and any showers will have cleared away, so it's dry into tomorrow morning. But I have to say, despite the fact that the story is of warmth and often dry weather, it's not always going to be completely clear. You can see there is some cloud out towards the west here to start us off tomorrow morning, and that cloud will continue to filter across us as we go through the afternoon. That is just not working, is it? Oh no, there we go. As we go through tomorrow. I know, you never know if it's going to. Oh no, it's sort of paused. Anyway, that's all fun, isn't it? So we get a bit of sunshine at times tomorrow and also some cloud. But look at this, it's the temperatures. They're the big story. 20, maybe 21 Celsius if you get some good sunny spells. Over into Friday, again, we've got a lot of dry weather, but you can see we've got a frontal system out towards the west. Now it's going to edge towards us through Friday. I think generally through daylight hours will stay dry, but it's over into Saturday when that frontal system tries to push across us. Again, we're looking at, we want quite a bit of rain, there isn't much on it, and then after that, that high pressure just builds back in again through the weekend and the start of the new working week. So the big story, as I say, is really that those temperatures are on the climb, certainly much warmer than it was last weekend for that bank holiday weekend, which was a little bit on the disappointing side, wasn't it? It's Friday night into Saturday, we've got some rain. Temperatures around average this time of year by day, around 16 degrees, something like that. So you can see we're well above average, and it looks like into the start of next week, those temperatures continue to climb. Could be into the low 20 Celsius through the middle part of next week. So it's not a heat wave, it's definitely not a heat wave, but really the rain is a big issue. We do need some properly.
Admire the fact that you can carry on. The showers are unpredictable, and so is your meteorological clicker. But thank you, Sara.